What's up, everybody? If I told you this is the third time that I've recorded this video, would you fucking believe me? I'm not even gonna. Let's just hop right into why I took this trade and why I believed. So, trade was on Nasdaq, so we'll just get the Nasdaq chart open over here, or not Nasdaq, but S&P. Traded the S&P minis contracts today, and let me guys show you why I decided to do that. So, basically, yeah. See, no lag, no nothing. It's working amazingly. Okay, so. This is a previous day market open. So if we can see, we have took out previous all-time highs. All right. Technically, this really isn't even a high. This is just a wick, but we do take out this wick, put in new all-time highs already up here. Okay, and then if we come on the hourly, we have this all-time highs get put in. We have this. We have liquidity sweep. We have a bigger time frame liquidity sweep, and then when these all-time highs get put in right here. Um, we come up, we sweep that as well. Bam, swept. Awesome. Now, we break structure onto the bullish, but that isn't until New York market open, so that's not something that I would have been looking for. I was also looking forward to this getting taparoonied. Where is it? Where is that gap? This gap, we have a significant 2 hour gap right here that I literally deleted everything and screenshotted shit, so that's why everything's like a little fucked up right now. But all right, now once we see that, we see our high time frame liquidity swept. All right, all time highs were swept. Put in new all time highs. I'm assuming that we're gonna want to move to EQ of the 4 hour move or the daily move before we continue to move lower. So that's the kind of trade that I'm looking forward to today, a reversal trade. Now, why do I say that? After sweeping all time highs, normally we want to come and take some kind of sell side liquidity to continue moving higher. All right. Now, if we take this, I'm gonna take our gain box right here from the most recent low to the most recent high, right? If before counting this candle, all right, this is what we're looking at. Okay, we see that we have these London, we have some London. Well, this really isn't even London lows. Okay, where am I even on the right thing? Yeah. Oh no. Yeah, they are. They are. They are. These are London lows right here. Asia lows right here. No. I'm tripping. Asian session, London session is this. We have like EQ of London session right here, and then London session lows are right at EQ. So I know that we are going to want to dump and take out some of these sell side forms of liquidity. So now after the high time frame liquidity sweep, okay, what am I going to be looking for? I'm looking for a break of structure to the downside, preferably on the 15 minute or the 5 minute, and then I'm looking for some kind of 5 minute, 1 minute PDRA to be in agreement with higher time frame order flow. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. All right. So what do we do to obtain that? Alrighty. So we can see right here. Why is it being really strange like this? 1 minute fair value gap gets formed right here, bullish on the upside after this 1 minute break of structure. After we close above this, bam, we come up just to take some kind of internal liquidity, and we can see that on the 5 minute as well. They're right here at 9:55 a.m. We're moving bearish. We come up, and then we take out this liquidity. Same thing. We come up, take out liquidity. Bam, come up, take out liquidity to continue moving higher. So I know after this, we are going to want to dump a fucking Rooney. Okay. Now we don't have a 5 minute confluence or anything, but we did have this 1 minute right here. All right. We have this 1 minute inverse fair value gap get ran through. Okay, and then you can see that we reject off a heavy. So I entered on once we inversed it. Okay, and I wanted to see displacement through it. So I wanted to see another candle close below this, and we can see that we wicked perfectly. So then once this candle closed below this candle actually, once we closed below, I entered and with my stop at the most recent high, targeting these. So we have just these accumulated lows right here, big accumulation zone right here. We have lows. These aren't lows, these are wicks. Why aren't these lows? Let me show you guys. My lighter blue candlesticks are up candles, all right? So these aren't lows, technically. This is stacked liquidity, though, all right? But this technically isn't lows. Lows are what is are down closed candles, the wicks of those down closed candles. So my dark blue candles are down candles, and my lighter blue candles are up candles. So technically, these aren't lows. This is a low though, and that's why I marked it out. And this would be fine to mark out. It's just you just get used to it after a minute. Like I'm not sure. I don't know. That's just this is always just how I've been trading. So, but yeah. Alrighty. So hot time frame liquidity sweep. All right. We have bearish trend. We have bearish on the 15 minute. The hourly starts becoming bearish. 1 minute's been bearish. 5 minutes bearish. All right. We have our internal manipulation. That comes up. We sweep this liquidity. We do the same thing again. Come up, sweep this. The highs right here, so we can continue moving lower. All right. Then 1 minute fair value gap, ran through, displaced through, rejects, dumps. Now, the reason that I didn't make fully because listen, if I went in with my five cons like I normally, I would have made 430 bucks. Now, Keith, why didn't you make 430 bucks? Now, listen, the reason I didn't make 430 bucks is because with EQ resting right above here, once I entered, we had first take profit, second take profit. I moved stops and took partials at both take profits. So that's why I literally only made 80 bucks. I'll throw a screenshot up on the screen for you guys. I wonder if okay, so it actually will. That's actually awesome. Let me show you guys a screenshot. What's up? Awesome. All right, here we go. Bam. 48 and 30. That was my realized P&L for the day, ladies and gentlemen. We liking that? Fuck yeah. All right. So yeah, but once we hit EQ on this, I'm thinking that we might have continued to move higher, but no, we just dumped. I literally could have let it hang all the way to these New York fucking lows. Crazy though, crazy. But yeah, this is the trade that I took today. Um, if you guys got any trades, let me know in the comments what you guys took. How you guys' day is going, everything. This is the third time I've recorded this video, and hopefully this time it doesn't look bad. Like I don't know. It says I'm getting 60 FPS. It says I'm chilling, so everything should be good. Bro, I've wasted so much time. I've recorded this video. I've recorded this video now 3 different times. But yeah, this is the trade that I took today. Um, High time frame liquidity. We see bearish order flow get put in when we have this down close candle get closed above or under on the 15 minute, and that was this was at pre-market 9:15, and this is the 9:45 candle. So I'm assuming we probably yeah, okay, awesome. But yeah, and then we can even see like I don't believe we tap into the order block maybe on the 5 minute slightly. So we do on this leg up here. You know, we just barely tap it and then bam. We even have this 5 minute order block where we come up, sweep liquidity, and then we tap back into it and then continue moving lower. So that would have been a pretty good one as well. Okay, for a 5 minute confluence. But I entered off this 1 minute gets inversed, completely ran through, closes above, displaced under. That was my entry. Stops at the high with I'm just targeting where the market needs to move towards. We're at all-time highs. We're gonna have to move lower. OTEs right under these lows, and then we just continue dumping. Took out previous New York mark. Took out previous New York lows as well. Took out Asia lows. Well, obviously we took out because these are London. This is London lows right here. So fucking perfect. Heck, heck yeah, guys. Heck yeah. All right, but I'm gonna get off here. This is the third time recording this video. Not too ideal. We also had SMT Heaven that was just being put in. We had SMT just fucking galore. And if I want to show you guys my settings really fast because I know that you guys are asking me like, yo, what eyes look so nice. Bam, very top on the blue, and then the bottom one's the very okay. I wonder if I could make it darker. Okay. Oh yeah, that's trimmy. Oh yeah, that's trim. That's trim balls. Fucking Timmy trim right there. Fuck yeah. Oh yeah, now that looks that looks even better. Oh yeah, that looks even more trim. That's tough. Fucking tough, bubs. Tougher than nails. But yeah, I'm off here. I love you guys. You guys have a great rest of your day. You guys are my pride and joy. That's why I just recorded this video for you guys 3 fucking times over. Because I genuinely do want to make good videos, and I'm not gonna short myself making a fucking shitty ass video. So what the fuck is the first thing? Okay, that's great. I'm out of here. I love you guys. You guys have a great rest of your night.